Hey everyone, I am Medhavi and welcome to my channel. If you are an art enthusiastic and you don't have any Apple product, now no need to worry because I have come with a great alternative of Procreate. Here I have an old phone which is Samsung with a stylus pen. If you have any stylus pen, it is going to be much better for you. This is Clip Studio Paint and it can be used in Android and iOS both. It is quite easier to work with the stylus pen. If you don't have any, you can work with your fingers. There is a free trial version for 30 hours free for 1 month. It is a great deal, I think, as it is free. You can sign up with from 70 rupees per month if you like it. I am going with a free version here. You can see there are so many paid brush set here, but as we are going for free, we have no need to purchase it. When you tap on grid, which is the rightmost corner here, you can get tricks and tips and some tutorials for free. And now we come to the main panel here. And here you see so many random sizes of canvas. I will choose the square one here. And you will see 16:9 ratio for making a YouTube thumbnail canvas, which is the best option and it is available on Procreate too. In advanced settings, you can set the canvas size and pixels. As you can see, so many formats here, but I am good with the square one. I'm not gonna switch in any other height and width. I'm good with preset width, height and resolution. But if you want, so you can make any different sizes of canvas here. If you switch to the studio mode, you will get extra features to explore here, as some features are not compatible with the normal phone mode. So when I switch to studio mode, it will show you as a desktop mode. And here you can set your brush size and the opacity of the brush. Here you can select the colors. I am going with the dark one here. I will increase the brush size here and you can see how it goes on. Decreasing the brush size, you will get a smaller and thinner line. Now here you can switch from pencil to eraser and eraser to pencil as well. If you increase the eraser size, you will get a thicker eraser. It is somehow similar to Procreate. A pretty much good alternative if you want to work on Procreate but you don't have any Apple product, then you can consider this app. And here is a layer mode. You can explore so many options here in a layer mode. When you will work with it, it will be easier for you. Now here you can select your brush size. It will show here too. And you can select by here too. And now I'm going to switch from studio mode to a normal phone mode. Again, I selected a square size canvas here and you can see a very small panel here. And this is again a switch mode from pencil to eraser and vice versa. And this is the brush panel. Tap on brush and you will see a lot of brush set here. Tap on sketch and you will have a lot of pencil sketch set here. I'm gonna select on crayon, just tap on crayon and it is update. Stylus is somehow not working properly here. And the best part of the brush panel is the decoration. When you come to the decoration, tap on decoration and you will see the lot of brush stamps here. They are too good and too pretty. There are so many pretty stamps that you have no need to import from anywhere else. And it is all of free, That's a good thing here for all you guys. It's a free basic app to work with and learn digital art. Free means here you are getting 30 free hours up to 1 month. It is 1 hour for free every day up to 1 month. And when you get apt with it, you can purchase it by monthly paying or annual paying, whatever suited up to you. And yes, it's not any paid promotion. I just thought to share a likewise app, something to Procreate for Android user. Here I used a curtain stamp. Tapping on a red color and scrolling up for my rose stamp, and here you go. Now just tap on the screen and you will get rose here. By increasing the brush size, you will get a bigger rose. As simple as it is. Now tap on brush for new stamp. Now I am switching to the fallen leaves stamp and I will tap on green color, and somewhere I tap the stylus pen and I will get a tiny leaves. Again, if you increase the brush size, you will get a bigger leaves. I don't know why stylus is not working properly here. I am struggling with it, guys. Now I will come to the book stamp here. Just tap on book stamp, tap on the color and choose a different color, and here you go. Wow. If you increase brush size, you'll get bigger book stamp. That's good. And here you switch eraser mode from pencil, tap on eraser, again tap on eraser and use rough for a big eraser. And here you can see the curtain stamps. It also erased here because it was all made in a single layer. So again I tap on the brush on the curtain stamp and made again a curtain. Now I switch to laces stamp here. Choose a different color. And see how perfectly it goes. That's the good thing I like in this app. This is quite easier to work with. Now come to the layer and you will see in the rightmost corner, tap on plus icon and you will get another new layer. So I choose a different color and different stamp here. Now I choose for building, and here we can make a building just by one click. Here I again switch to eraser mode. If I erase it, you can see the only building is erased. Whatever I have made on the back layer, it is tagged on that. The lace is made on the first layer, so I can't erase it. When I tap on the layer where I have drawn the lace, it can be erased easily. Now You can see building is not erasing because it is on the upper layer. That's how layer works. And now I go for another decoration stamp. I choose the bead chain here. And I have made it on another single layer. If you tap on the three dot here, you can export the image and you can see the timeless video here. Let's tap on it. And here you can see whatever we have made, you can see in time lapse. Tap on play button again and here you can see it again. You can save this video in your mobile phone and you can share wherever you want on social media. When you tap on the picture icon here, which is situated in between the three dots and the back icon, you will get some new stamps here too. Let's see. If I tap on this, I download the pocket watch here and it will show on the screen. Sorry, on the canvas. Tap on OK and it will be fixed on your canvas on a new layer. Now come to this tree. It will get downloaded and will be shown in your canvas. You can move around it here and there and resize the tree here. As you can see how I am resizing it. Here you can see tree is behind this building. If you want to show it before on the building, we have to move our layer up and there like this. If I drag the layer below, it will be seen behind the watch. And if I drag up here, you will see it before the watch like this. So you can play around with layers. And now you can see the tree is before the building because we have moved the tree layer before the building layer. You can move it by just tap on it and drag the layer behind it. And you will see it's again behind the buildings. Let's resize the canvas here. Here you can see the clock is behind the tree. Let's tap on it and drag it up to the tree layer and we will see the watch layer is up front of the tree layer. You can move any of the layer just dragging here and there. When you tap on any layer, you can just manage the opacity of that particular layer. You can see it clearly on your canvas how the layer merge with the layer behind it. If you tap on the clip option, the particular layer will be merged with the layer beneath it. When you tap on the plus icon, you will have another layer. So you are an digital art enthusiastic one and like to explore any art apps like me, you can consider this app. So this is all about this tutorial. I will come up to you with the next drawing tutorial again. Thank you so much for watching.